Alright, sorry, baby. Alright, go on back, go do what you do here. But, babe, please, may I beg you, be careful.
Yeah, babe. Later. Sorry about that.
Is that her?
Her? No, man, no. That's just a poor agent.
There is an agent. I think I'm ready to go now. Check, please.
Miranda, why you say that?
Ray, whoever you were talking to on the phone a while ago is obviously a woman. Because if it wasn't, I would be very worried about her right now.
But, hold on. Yeah, it was a woman. But as me tell you, he's a co-worker.
Raymond, you're so transparent. You don't have to lie. It's fine. It's not like I was expecting you to be single.
What did you expect?
Nothing. I came here on an assignment, and I also came here to tell you about your son. I wasn't expecting a relationship.
I'm sure it didn't. But after delivering the news about you having a 3-month-old son for me, well, you never expect that to upset the balance?
That's why I told you I wasn't expecting anything from you, Ray. Do what you can. But I didn't expect to come and intrude on anything that you have happening in your life right now.
And what if I want to be in my son's life? Full time.
By all means, Ray. But not at the expense of your relationship.
My son would be more important.
Ray, I'm not expecting you to leave your relationship, come into a relationship with me just so you can have access to your son. I'm not ready for a relationship right now.
So let me ask you this. Your focus right now is on being an active agent or a mother?
What?
You hear what I say?
Me know me hear you, but me not think me understand what you really are trying to say. Of course me can be a full-time mother and work in an agency at the same time. Yeah.
So, who is with our son now that you're out of the country?
Raymond, I'm not sure I appreciate this line of questioning enough. And when this turning into an interrogation?
It is not an interrogation. But if you plan to extend your stay in Jamaica for an extra 2 weeks with a young baby, how that work?
Listen to me carefully. Your only job in this scenario is to make time for your son if you're able to. You're not obligated to anyway. But outside of that scenario, you don't question me on how I'm raising my son. Is that understood?
That you said?
Why don't you ask what you really want to ask?
What me really want to ask?
Earlier you asked me, when we did go dark, the agency never have no access to me. Me know what that mean, you know? You think me stupid?
That's one thing I would never think of.
I think this is where our night ends.
Miranda, come on, man. Don't make the evening end like this. Let me carry you home, alright?
Hell no! Thank you very much, Mr. Savage.